Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set your inventory to private on Steam. Let's begin. So you would like to just set everything on private? Yes, you can. So go over here, manage your accounts, view my profile. In this section, click on edit your profile. Okay. Then what we need is privacy settings. Just scroll down a bit. Under my profile, you will see inventory. So read this. Your inventory includes items you receive in games that use Steam trading. It also includes any Steam trading cards you've collected and extra copies or Steam gifts. So anything relating to this is going to be controlled. If you would like to set this to private, nobody can view that at all. Okay. And then once you've selected your preference, Steam will automatically save the changes for you. That's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.